Hey, today we are going to be learning the change of base formula. This is going to be with logarithms. So now we can go back to that problem that we introduced earlier where we said 6 to some power is equal to 27. And we can now actually find what that x is with our change of base formula. So remember, that's where we had, when we converted that ended up giving us log base 6 of 27. So what the change of base formula is it's giving us to where we have our base match. This is very crucial before calculators were as sophisticated as they are now. Some calculators you'll have will let you type in with a different base. Using your phone calculator, that's not an option. And so this format is going to help you do it when you're doing it on your phone calculator. I'm going to use log base 10. You could just as easily use a natural log, so ln. I just typically work with log base 10 for some reason. And the format is you're going to put log of your bigger number over log of your base. You know what I mean by bigger is I mean size. And so I look at it on the line. If you drew a line here, see how the 27 would be above it and the 6 would be below? That's how I visually remembered it as a student. And then we're going to type in our calculator. And so if you're using your phone calculator, if you pull over to this, if you pull it up and either turn it sideways where it opens up more options, or if you turn it, or you pull over the more options, you'll see that there is a log. And so you can type in log of 27. Just make sure that when you put this in the calculator, you have your parentheses here. And that way it knows what it's taking and dividing, because you don't want to accidentally divide the 27 by that. You actually want to divide the log base 27 of 6. Or log base 27 divided by log base. Log of 27 divided by log of 6. And so when you do that, you're not going to come up with an exact number. This number is going to be a very long number. And so we are going to approximate. And so if we do, we're going to go out to 4 decimal places. Read your instructions on your assignments to tell you how many decimal places you need to go. But you should have ended up with 1.8394. Let's do this one more time. So to convert my logarithm, make my fraction, it's log of the answer portion of that when we converted it over log of our base. And so that's going to give me an approximate 0.5019. See if you have the same number. Now do the one at the end of this for your question.